right, so this is a studio villa at Disney's Yacht Club, standard room. All right, so you got fridge. Ooh, fancy, see-through. Coffee maker. Nice bucket. Closet storage. Actually, a good amount. Here too. Ironing board, hair dryer, safe, all your common amenities. See, I like the walk-in shower. Some people like tubs, but with this kind of resort, definitely want walk-in shower. It's pretty nice, all tiled up. Your basic soaps. You got the handle wand you can release as well, like a rain style shower. So this particular room has two queens. It also has a pull-out sofa and a little sofa here. You can pull that out, like I just said. You have a desk here, so if you want to do some working, it has a lot of the USB ports too, which is cool. So for charging your devices, it has a Hey Disney sort of Siri thing, if you want that. This little piece is nice. It's also got plugs right there, lots of storage here. So extra pillows and blankets. A lot more storage than the moderates or the values for sure. So, you know, definitely comfier beds. In terms of size, I would say probably similar. Let's check out the balcony. So this particular room is facing the quiet pool. So overall, very nice room, you know, clean, smells good. They got rid of the carpets, which is good, you know, because the moisture was holding in those. You have cool little amenities, lots of storage. You have lots of places to charge your devices, comfy beds. You know, pretty good. I like the walk-in shower. So thanks for watching this room tour. Don't forget to subscribe. Also have the full resort tour. I'll put that in the description. See yous.